Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about need for concurrency control part of database management system course. In a database, concurrency refers to the ability of multiple users or processes to access and modify the data simultaneously. Concurrency control is the process of managing access to shared data in a database to ensure that multiple users or processes can access the data concurrently without causing conflicts or inconsistencies. Concurrency control is important because it allows multiple users or processes to access and modify the data in a database at the same time, which can improve the performance and scalability of the database. However, it is also important to ensure that the concurrent access to the data does not cause conflicts or inconsistencies, which can compromise the integrity and reliability of the data. There are several techniques for implementing concurrency control in a database. Locking is a technique that allows a user or process to lock a particular row or table while they are accessing or modifying it, preventing other users or processes from accessing the same data at the same time. Locking can be implemented at different levels, such as row level locking or table level locking. Timestamps are a technique that involves assigning a unique timestamp to each transaction and using the timestamp to ensure that concurrent transactions do not override each other's changes. Optimistic concurrency control is a technique that allows multiple users or processes to access and modify the data concurrently and check for conflicts at the time the changes are committed to the database. If a conflict is detected, the changes are rolled back and the user or process must try again. It is important to carefully consider the concurrency control techniques that are appropriate for a particular database and application to ensure the data is accessed and modified consistently and reliably. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.